Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Lauren and today I'm going to be reviewing Lilac Street. So these lashes, every time I post a lash video, I get comments that I need to try Lilac Street. So I finally am trying them. I'm so excited because they have such amazing reviews. In this video, I'll explain, I'm going to tell you about the lashes, how to apply them, and they say that these lashes last for 5 to 7 days. So hopefully they do, and I will be reviewing that at the end. So Lilac Street started in summer of 2020, which I had no idea. I felt like they've been around forever because they have such a strong following, and literally every time I post a video, people are telling me to try these lashes. When I say long wearing lash system, what that means is you apply the lashes under your lashes, and unlike strip lashes where they go on top and it's a full strip, or even individuals where you place them on top, these are meant to feel like nothing, look super natural, and last a little bit longer. I ordered the originals, and then I ordered the clear lash glue, and I also ordered the 14s. And this kind of shows you how new this company is because they literally hand wrote the size on the packaging, which that's fine. I'm not here to judge. I'd probably do the same thing. If you grew so fast and you're like, wow, now I need to get all these things printed and come out with new lash. I mean, that's a lot of work, but good for them. So I do like their packaging. I think that their logo's cool. I think that this is completely fine for what we're gonna be using them for. So this is what the glue looks like. And one thing I like about glue like this is the tip. So this is like a standard brush tip, where a lot of the other brands are starting to do that mini mascara brush wand tip, and I personally don't like it. I feel like these just are easier for me to use, and you can use just the tip to get glue like right where you want it. The price is, each lash is $5, and then the glue is $8. And then you can also find discounts online, so I think I paid $13 plus shipping. They also have a wand for sale. I don't need one. I have so many from other ones. Today I'm going to be using the Eyelure one. I actually love how small this is, and it's really easy to use. And then they have a starter kit. So the starter kit comes with 2 sets of lashes, the wand, and the glue, and it's 20 bucks. The reason I didn't get the starter kit is because my natural lashes are pretty long already. And the starter kit comes with a 10 millimeter and a 12, whereas I wanted to try the 12 and the 14. I just find that 10s would look like nothing on me. It would make my lashes look more full, but it wouldn't give me the length, and that's kind of the whole point for me. These are made with 100% Korean silk lash fibers. They are vegan and cruelty-free, and the glue, they say, is as gentle as mascara, so it's good for even the most sensitive eyes. So these lashes come with 10 individual clusters, 5 on each side. All right, so let's get into the application process. If you have straight lashes like I normally do, right now I have a lash perm, so they are curled, but it's growing out. So I have some that are straight, some that are curled. Just curl your lashes before you start applying them. I find it to be much easier. And this is the best eyelash curler. This one is the Tarte one. It's perfect for the shape of my eyes. Sometimes they pinch like in the middle or on the sides. You also want to make sure your lashes are completely clean. So no makeup, no skincare, no sunscreen, nothing on your face, at least around your eyes. I do have makeup on, but my lashes are clean. And then let's zoom in. All right, my lashes are curled. And then you take the glue and you apply it to the base of your lashes, but not on your lash like waterline. And then I like to start on the outer lashes and work my way in. This glue is unique. It says give it 15 seconds to dry before you start applying the lashes. And then you don't want to do it right on your lash line. You want to do it like a little bit away. They say that it just adheres better to the actual hairs. Okay, so when you grab these, usually you hold it like this, and this is for this eye, and it looks like that is the case here. I start on the outside, and just like with any other lash, you want to pull it down gently. This is really on there. Okay, so these are very much stuck. Oh, there we go. So then you take the lash, and I grab the little wand like this. So apply the lash glue to this lash as well as your lashes, and that will just help it stay longer. Okay. And then you just apply. And clamp. Pretty easy. So these are a little bit hard to get off of this. I'm worried I'm gonna damage the lash in the process. Okay, I just finished the first eye and it was really easy to use them actually. I feel like this glue, if you let it sit long enough, it does instantly just kind of grab to itself when you apply the lash to your lashes. I really like the applicator. It's easy to get like right where you want to put the glue because of the tip. And I'd say the hardest part honestly was getting the lashes off of the container. So I think next time what I'm gonna do for this eye is just pull all of the lashes down. I also did end up using all 5 and I feel like it fits my eye and looks really nice. So I'm gonna go do this side and I'll show you the finished look. All right, I just finished applying my second eye and I'm so impressed. So I took all of the eyelashes off of this before I started and that definitely saved a lot of time. I did kind of damage this one when I was doing that. I ripped a few of the lashes off, but I don't think you can really tell. So I'm still waiting for the glue to dry down on this. One thing I read in the directions that I didn't do on this eye was instead of using your little tool to clamp and hold the lashes down, so they're saying just using these 2 fingers, you can actually just clamp the lash down. And that makes sense because then you don't get glue all over this and this will keep it just for application. And I did find that using tweezers for some of the lashes was easier than using this because this got some glue on it. And then as I pulled the lash away, it pulled it off with it, but it's not nearly as bad as other lashes that I've used. So I would say ease of application is really good. I'm impressed. I think they look great. I don't think that they're overwhelming. This is the 12 millimeter. And the band underneath, I think I could get a little bit closer, but overall, I think for your first time using a lash, they're really good. They're also not sticky. Some other lashes, when you apply them, they're really sticky, and they even have like Lashify and Falscara and the Eyelure one have this seal that you're supposed to use to get rid of the stickiness. These aren't sticky. I didn't have to use any seal, and I feel like this glue is really nice. So I will wear these around for as long as they last, and I will show you what they look like in a few days. So today's Friday, and I wanted to show you guys the lashes. I did lose one cluster right here, but look how it came off. It's so perfect. So I could definitely reuse this with no problems. Like there's very little residue on it. So I like that. And it came off this morning. I was rubbing my eyes and it came off, but I've been washing my face like I normally do. I haven't worn a bunch of eye makeup, like no eyeshadow or anything, but I definitely still cleanse this eye area, and they lasted for 3 nights so far. And then the other ones, I feel like they're really on there still. So I'm impressed. I think these lashes are good. Underneath, you can see where there's a little bit of gunk right there. But overall, I feel like these lashes are probably the best I've ever tried. This glue is amazing. So every day I'll kind of just clamp them back down. And I will say I've never tried that with other lash systems. So I think this is good if you're gonna use any lash system. But I think that they're just good. There's no residue, there isn't lint sticking to them. I'm really impressed with these so far. So I just wanted to check in, show you guys I lost one lash. I'm gonna put it back on and keep wearing these around. All right, so today is day 4. I put the lashes on Tuesday, today's Saturday. I wanted to let you guys know that the lashes did come off. So they came off really easily. I didn't feel like I had to really work that hard to get them off. They were ready, and I didn't rip out a bunch of lashes in the process. But you can see here, they came off and they're not as clean as they were yesterday. So it was 2 lashes on both of my outer eyes, and it's not like they fell off, like the edges were just lifting, so I just pulled them off, and then because I stacked them a little bit, they pulled the other lash off with it. It wasn't painful, it wasn't bad. So today, because these are still on, I put the 14 millimeter length on, and they're different. So I think that because it's such a new brand, the consistency in the lashes isn't quite there yet. Oh my God, they're stuck to my nail. Okay, this is the 14. The 14 is more sparse. I ended up only having to put 1 on the outer eyes though to give me that same oomph that the 12s gave me. So I think I like the 14 length for the outers. and then I could do 12s for the inners. The glue is amazing. I love the glue. I'm gonna try it in black next time. I'm gonna buy a few other sets and just compare them to each other and other lashes that I have, because I think that's good to know. Just because you use one brand's lash glue, you can mix up the lashes that you use with it. They don't have like some special adhesive on the actual lash itself that only works with that glue. So you could totally mix and match. If you have a favorite lash that you like, try the Lilac Street glue. I am very impressed. I tried the translucent one and I think it was great. So I've taken the lashes off. I wanted to give you my final experience with them. So they lasted for a full week, and they probably could have lasted longer, but the end ones were getting kind of weird because I was sleeping on them and I was just ready to take them off, you know, and like you just want to rub your eyes really, really hard. That's how I was feeling. So taking them off was actually surprisingly easy. The hardest ones were the ones that I added last, which makes sense because I had just put them on, I think 2 days before I took them off. So I would say I'm really impressed with the glue. I like the lashes. I think that out of all the lash kits that I've tried, this one is definitely my favorite. One thing I notice when I wear lashes like this is when I take them off, I do feel like my lashes look more sparse. And I think it's just because our lashes naturally fall off and shed throughout the week. And when we are taking these off, they kind of all come off at the same time, so it just looks different. I don't know, I could be completely making that up. I just feel like right now my lashes do look like nothing, which is weird because when I was taking these off, I really only pulled out 2 lashes. So I don't know, I also think I'm just recovering from a lash lift, but I just wanted to note that in case you experienced the same thing. Let me know in the comments because I think it's just what happens when I wear these. So I'm gonna be using my lash serum and regrowing my lashes. These are lashes I would wear a lot. I kind of miss them. I wanna put them back on because it's nice waking up and just having that and your eye look is ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this informative, and if you have any questions or anything, leave them below in the comments. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing them all the time, and I'll see you next time.